So we're just going to run through a basic clean and lubrication of a V3. Not necessarily a full service, but certainly just going to pick up a few points and just make sure that it's clean and lubricated as it should. So first things first is we need to gain access to take the top off the end and also some of the front panels. So we're going to take out these little covers. An unpicker's best for this, I find. It's got that little hole just to prise them out. And we should have one on this end there, and there should be two on this end, which I previously removed and lost, so there's two more on there. Okay, and once we've got them out, we're going to take the top off, which should unclip and go onto the back. We can use that as a tray to put all our bits in. So we're going to take out these two here first. If you have LED pointer, you need to unplug that from the back first, and then the end will come off. This is the tension unit cover. That will come off, and then we've got these in the top to come out. And there's one hidden away underneath the handle. Okay, so we're going to, it's not imperative to take this end off, but it just makes life a little easier. So there should be one screw in there. And there's one screw underneath there, which I've lost also. In addition to that, I'm going to take the top cover off needle plate. There is a screw in the end here. There is one underneath there. Just loosen that one, don't need to take that out. And another one here. Okay. Now, this piece will come off first, so we're going to pull it out, down, and just unclip it. Take the bobbin case out, and then if we're doing a thorough job, we're going to take this plate off. Out of the way, and then we can work on the top. So the top's a little bit more complicated, and with new machines, ones that haven't been to part before, this is a bit stiffer than that. They clip in at the front in two directions, so they occasionally do need a little bit of help, and we just use an ordinary kitchen knife to do that and go in and just pop the joint. So this one is underneath that one, so we're just going to just ease it, and the thing not to do is to pull this straight up, because there is a wire underneath which we can unplug. Gently wiggle it and it will come loose, but be careful. In addition to that, we're going to take this end off. It's useful to hang it over the table because the two lugs go underneath the machine, and again quite tight with this one. Oh, that screw's still in there. There we are. Should come a bit easier now. Wiggle it and it will come off. And that's really first things first. That gives us access to the points that we want to clean and lubricate.